Good morning guys! Today is Saturday and yan, nandito yung mga bata. So, busy ako sa aming kusina. Nagluluto ako ng lugaw. Pinapalambot ko pa yung kanin ngayon. Almost ready. And then, gumagawa din ako ng sourdough bread. Ayan siya. And also, I'm feeding the sourdough starter right now. Ako lang ng 1 cup. So, dadagdagan ko ngayon siya ng 1 cup din. So, it's done. Hinaan ko lang siya para hindi umapa. Yan. So, our plan today is to do the pumpkin carving. And,
The pumpkin carving?
yeah.
Are you scared of me, man? Are you
Somebody just get excited. Uh-oh. We're gonna do the pumpkin carving later.
Can you give me
Because sa Monday is Halloween. Nilagay ko na yung aming pillow na nabili. So nakalimutan kong i-flip yung aming couch sa gray. So ngayon gagawin ko siya. I got this tissue box cover from Philippines and I actually gonna use it right now. Kumakain na sila.
like I'm gonna sneeze.
Sneeze. Oh, this is season.
The sound of next to it, and tonight we're gonna go. And we're gonna go. And 8
Oh,
o'clock.
we got those sipon man.
Yeah, and 8 o'clock.
What's it?
Papa, there's the little things.
That's a white cup.
I have to go like that.
Yan guys, our pumpkin is ready.
Come here.
I don't want to use this. I'm gonna use my hand.
Okay.
I feel this. That sounds like it's
I'm gonna
blood.
give that to Grandma. Grandma wants the seed.
Hey, that one is yours. We're doing it right now.
Where's the tools?
Sarang is right in the middle.
Exactly.
It's okay though.
Yeah.
On that. Oh, yeah. Don't climb on that, okay? It's not made for climbing, baby.
The cat is done.
Why'd you touch it?
I didn't touch it.
Then why did the ear fall?
This thing is really hard to open. Oh my gosh. Moshi moshi. Tapos na kami mag-carve ng pumpkin. And then, ito yung seeds niya. Gagawin siya ni Benan ng pepitas. Yung pumpkin seed na kinakain natin. Yan. So, lilinisin ko siya ngayon. Lalagyan natin ng tubig. Dun sa mga ganito niya. Yan. Tapos gagawin natin siya paulit-ulit hanggang sa malinis na siya. Yan na guys, tapos na siya. Dine-drain ko na lang. Yeah, the kids gonna go to the church. They have like pre-Halloween stuff like they're gonna hand out the candies this evening, and I'm enjoying my time. I am making tea right now. This is a cranberry apple spice. That one. It smells so good. Put the cozy blanket here. I'm actually reading this. This is a soup's recipe. This teacup. I have like 2 pieces of this set. I bought this separately with a little plate. I got this from Goodwill, so I thought it's pretty. And yeah, I like going to Goodwill, so you know, we can dig some of the stuff that really cool and it's just pretty.
What's up? Oh, 5! Good job! Nice job! Right?
I'm making dinner right now. Making pasta. And then just gonna put the cheese, the chili pepper, and then olive oil, salt, and then another black pepper. Just gonna put cheese on it. The olive oil,
Olive oil.
salt, chili pepper. That's all.
I don't want cheese.
You sure?
In the church.
In the church?
The cheese. That's our dinner tonight. There you go. Yung pumpkin natin nandito na. Yan, ilalight up na natin. And that's the pumpkins, guys. We have the cat there. We have the goblin.
Or I think that's a fire guy from Monster High.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have the lights on.
There's, you can put 2 of those
This.
in each one.
2 in each one.
Because they're not very bright.
Yeah.
Hold on. Here, Hannah, I have a special one for that.
You put the other side.
Here you go, Mama.
There you go. Put the lights in there.
That's a party light.
Party light. There it is. Now we're gonna turn off the light. There you go, guys. Can you turn off the light, please?